campaign. He said what he did. But y'all not,
That's a real good question.
For everybody.
That's a real good question.
Yeah,
That's a real good question, and I'm going to show you my video with me and Trump right now. Because this isn't about race.
You still don't come about race. Come at all of them.
Listen, I'm going to show you a video right now of me and Trump. Listen, I'm going to show you a video right now. I'm going to show you a video right now.
Answer his question.
You're going to see how I feel about Trump. This isn't about race. Listen, you ready to see this?
Answer his
You
question.
ready? Listen, I'm going to answer your question. I stood up against Trump and about 10,000 of his supporters. I stood up against Trump. You ready to see this? I am
What about Kavanaugh? What about the president y'all going to run and put all
I'm
these
against.
judges in this country?
I'm against.
What about him?
Listen, you're going to see.
You want to keep it real? Let's keep it real. We talking about what?
Listen, I'm about to be more real than anybody you know.
Man, keep it real.
Here we go. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. This is Trump at his protest in Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania. Here comes my ball. Come on, see what I did.
Check
see
it
what
out.
I did. Get ready for it. Ready? Here goes my beach ball. And here comes my protest sign. Watch this.